Welcome and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to set up your Facebook pixel on your website. So to set up your Facebook pixel on your website, you need a landing page, whether it is self-hosted. What did I mean by self-hosted? Self-hosted means that you purchase a domain and hosting, then you set up your landing page from scratch. Now there are other ones that they are hosted with some other platforms, probably be it system.io, seller. Some of those platforms also allow you to set up Facebook pixel on their platform, but one of the best I would recommend is use self-hosting your landing page. Purchase a domain from any domain registrar. I always recommend Amon and also set up your landing page. And once you set up your landing page, you will enjoy that more than when you like use other. But for me, I've been using this for a very long time. So how do you set up your landing page? How do you set up your Facebook pixel? Now, what does Facebook pixel means? Facebook pixel means you integrating codes on your website so as to be able to track customer performance on your website. Now, on your landing page, what are the performance you want to track? Basically, the performance you want to track is the call to action on our landing page. Now, when you look at this landing page, the action we can track is first viewing, because I will always view the landing page first before I can even take any action. So viewing is also an action. So we want to track how many people are actually viewing our landing page from our ads. So that way we can be sure of the numbers Facebook is giving us on the dashboard to the numbers it's showing on our pixel, and that way we can know what our conversion rate will look like. So it helps you to be able to monitor every damn amount of money you are spending and every numbers of person coming to your landing page. Now, aside from viewing, we can also track the buttons, because the next action people will want to take is clicking on the get started now button, and that's the only button on the landing page. So which means that we are tracking two actions on this landing page, which is the viewing and also the button. So that way, when anyone clicks our ad to Facebook, whenever they click on the button, then Facebook will record them as one lead. But what if they just come and they only view but did not click? Facebook will record that particular user as just view only but does not click. How do we do this with Facebook pixel? And that's exactly what I'm going to be showing you in this video. So before you can set up your Facebook pixel, you need to make sure that you've created your business account, you've set up your ad account. So those are the things you need to make sure you do, and don't use your default ad account to set up your pixel. Now let's go straight to where I plan to set up my pixel. Okay, so I'm using this particular ad account, TonyFX27, and there is a page on it called the Trading Titans. That's the name of the page, and that's the page I'm going to be using to set up my pixel. So to set up my pixel, what I will just do is click on this All Tools, then go to Event Manager. Event Manager is where you manage all events as regards your website, as regards your ads, basically. Now, so this particular Facebook setup, or this particular Facebook pixel setup, is mostly used for lead generation. So if you are into lead generation, you want to generate enough leads, then this particular pixel method is what you are going to be using. But let's assume that you are selling e-com product. This might not really works well based on what you are selling, but as time goes on, I'll be recording more content as regards how to sell your e-com products using Facebook ads. Now let's go on to, okay, now this particular place, it shows that I already have a pixel here, but basically I'm not going to be using this pixel anymore. I will just come here and click on this plus icon to create a new pixel. Now you can't delete any pixel you've created. Let's assume I have a pixel like this. You can't delete it, but what you can do is you can create another one, then still allow you to serve the same functions you have. Then that means you will not be using this particular one. Is that clear now? So if you haven't set up a pixel before, it's just going to show you like connect data source. That's what it's going to, and you just click on connect data source, then click on web, because you want to track our website. They said connect your website to share activities that occurs online, including view content, add to cart, and purchases. Get started now. They are all actions. Now, so they said, yes, send the information about customer interaction with your business. This information can be used to create audiences, run campaigns, optimize ad delivery. Now, with your Facebook pixel, when you have all of this data, you have the number of people that click your landing page, you have the number of people that view your content, you can be able to set up what we call lookalike audiences. You can be able to do remarketing. You can be able to like do a whole lot of stuff. In fact, when you have new clients you want to work with, that is also based on that particular industry, you can still use the same pixel because it's more like the same set of people you are trying to reach, and still use it for that kind of job also. So it helps you to ease your journey as a Facebook advertiser. Now what you want to do is click on connect. Now as you click on connect, name your data set, which is also like name your pixel. So the name of my pixel is, what am I typing? Okay. Okay. Yeah, it's just okay like this. You can name it any name, but basically any name you can remember. I don't want to name it Titan Pixel because I already have one that I created before. So you need to have a website URL. So the website URL is the domain you purchased, the domain name you purchased. So let's go ahead and copy the domain name we purchased. Then this is the domain name we purchased. Then you copy it like this. Then you paste it here, and yeah, this you have something like this. Then you click on next. Then they said there are multiple ways to connect your data with Meta. Will you like us to help you choose the best option? No, don't allow them. Do it yourself. Follow this guide. Now, what you want to do is to click on Meta Pixel only. Yeah, you can. Okay, hold on. Yeah, let's go on with Meta Pixel and Conversion API. So we want to set it up using partner integration because my own website was created using WordPress. Now, if your website was created using Wix or using Shopify, there are such options like that. I do advise you use partner integration. It's very, very simple, and you setting it up manually also is simple. Just the code is going to be provided for you, then you just copy it. But when you're using partner integration, then you're going to be using a plugin to set up your pixel. They said set up the conversion API with an integration for a partner you already use. The partner you already use is WordPress. They said like Shopify, WordPress, Wiz, Dreambuilder, like a lot of CMS software like that. They said in this particular partner integration, no coding is required in most cases. In fact, no coding is required in all cases. Now, when it comes to Shopify, it's like there's a little code there you do there. But for WordPress, no coding is required. Now, when it comes to set up manually, set up the conversion API manually using our step-by-step guide. Some coding is required. Yeah, you're going to be provided a number of codes. You copy it and you paste it, and you also confirm that if it's already working. But me, I do go for that of the one that doesn't require any code. It is only when your site is built with code. Some people, their website is built with code, like such as JavaScript and the rest, then you have to set it up manually. So you have to provide the code to your developer, and your developer will help you set up your pixel. If the developer knows how to set it up, then once you provide the code, then they will set it up for you. But for the partner integration, in fact, with little or no technical know-how, you can be able to do that. So click on next. So once you click on next, you want to select your partner. These are all CMS software to build landing page. Oh, I think I've selected the wrong one. Back. WordPress. I mistakenly selected the wrong one. So what you want to do is click on next. Once you click on next, that place I'm supposed to explain some things. Now they said install plugin. This is like a guide for you. Which plugin are we installing? Facebook for WordPress. So what you want to do is go back to your dashboard, then go to plugin, then add new plugin. Then the name of the plugin has changed over time. Now the name of the plugin is Meta for WordPress. Yeah, the name of the plugin is now Meta for WordPress. So with that particular plugin, yeah, can you see Meta Pixel for WordPress is already active. Now what I want to do is this. I already have it before on this particular domain. Now I want to quickly do something. Because I already have it before, which with the pixel I set it up before, I will uninstall it, then install it again and activate it so I can use it for the new pixel I want to do. So I hope you get that. Let me quickly do that. So you click on the install now. To install it, you click on the install now, and once you install a plugin, it is important that you activate that particular plugin. So once you click on install, it's going to show you activate, and it's going to tell you activated. Now it's going to take you to the plugin page. So this is where we have the Metal Pixel for WordPress. It said okay, Facebook Pixel is an analytic tool that helps you measure the effectiveness of your advertising. Very simple. So you click on settings. So once you click on settings, then you click on get started. Now we want to set up our pixel with no code. So make sure that your Facebook account and the landing page you set up are on the same browser. So that way the connection is going to be very easy for you. So you click on continue as Victory. Yeah, since that's the name of the Facebook account first. Then you click on next. Just make sure you follow the whole thing. Now once you click on next, you need to make sure you turn on automatic advanced matching, which is on already. Sometimes it might be off, but make sure you turn it on. Now for the Facebook page, we are going to select the Facebook page we want to use, which is Trading Titans. Now to select Trading Titans, okay, select the business manager first. Can you see I went to select Facebook page, but it didn't allow me to select what I want to select, which means that the business manager I selected here doesn't have that page underneath. So we have to business manager. So I'm going to be using this. Then click on it. This is a personal account. This is the business manager. So once you select your business manager, can you see it allows me to select the page I want to select, which is the page I created on that business manager, which is the page I created for that particular business manager. Now I'm not doing anything Instagram. Then next, then you click on that particular ad account. Then once you click on that ad account, you select the pixel, which is this. Then once you select the pixel, then that's all you need to do. Then you click on next. So that's why I said you must have created your ad accounts and your Facebook page and also the business manager you want to use to set up your pixel. You click on next. So once you click on next, it's going to ask you to just done. Then you are done with it. And once you click done, you are going to confirm if you want Meta to track all activities on your website. Now, can you see? This means that they have access to your business access on Facebook, blah blah. So that's basically how to set up your pixel. Now that's not all. We have to set up the event. Okay, now that we've set up pixel, we've given Facebook, or we've given Facebook to access our website. Now after giving them the access to check on our website, what are the things we want them to track with the pixel? So that's where you need to set up what event. And how do you do that? You go back to your events manager. You know, we are given an instruction here. They said click on the plugin and add new, search and choose Facebook for WordPress, which is also called Meta Pixel for WordPress, or which is now called Metal Pixel for WordPress. Then select install now and then activate. We've done that. Then we click on next. So once you click on it, they said select settings and choose Facebook from the drop down menu, which we did, and select get started and follow the instruction, which we did. Now the next thing is verify your pixel is working correctly. Now what we set up, how can we confirm that it is working correctly? What you just have to do is provide them with the Facebook, with the domain URL. Can you see they said enter the URL for your website which you set up the pixel on. So you paste your URL here, then you tell Facebook, okay, send test traffic to confirm if the pixel we set up is active. So now it's going to load. So let's allow it to load, and it's going to tell us if the Facebook pixel on our website is active. They said this may take several minutes. If your status doesn't change to active after sending test traffic, check to make sure you followed the previous instruction correctly. So if after everything your test traffic is not still active, then you have to go back and look at the things you are doing wrong. So that will that way you check if everything is correct and you come back and test traffic. So you can also rewind this particular video. Can you see it says no activity yet? That means we haven't done something. Let's click on send test traffic again. Okay, can you see now? It is now active. So we click on next. So probably when you try the first time, it's not saying, it's saying they haven't tracking the activity yet. Just try it again. And if you're still saying the same thing, then you just have to check what you've done earlier. Now they said add event using the event setup tool. You can use the event setup tool to add standard events and parameters without the need to code. This is the easiest option to install Pixel events. We've set up Pixel. Now we want to set up Pixel events, whereby we'll be able to track the view content and also people will click our button. Now we want to enter the URL of the landing page itself at this point. Please pay attention. We want to enter the URL of the landing page itself at this point. Now to copy the URL of your landing page, you know this is a preview. If you know about WordPress very well, okay, let me remove this. Can you see this is the URL of the landing page, so you don't get confused. You copy the URL of the landing page, then you come here and paste it. If there's any part of this video you don't understand, you can always put them in the comment section, then I can explain more to you from there. And if you also need our one-on-one support as regards the effectiveness of your ads, you can also reach out to us and we help you set up campaign for your business as well. But your minimum advertising budget must be less than $1,000. So if you are from a country like Nigeria, that's like over $1 million. So that's when we can work with you to set up your ads. But if you are facing any issue basically regarding Facebook advertising, we can always open a call with you and help you solve them. So now what you want to do next is to track new button. The only button we have on our website is the get started now. So that's the only button we want to track. Now can you see that's the only button we want to track? So you click on it. So once you click on it, it asks you to select an event, and the event you want to select is lead, because it is lead generation campaign. Now you click on don't include value. You click on don't include value. You don't want to attach value to any you don't want to attach any cost to the number or to the amount. You don't want to attach any cost to the lead Facebook is going to give to you. Are you with me now? Like probably you don't want to say, okay, I only have 15 naira to spend per lead. No, let Facebook do the work for you. Then you click on confirm. So once you click on confirm, then the next thing is to track URL. The meaning of you tracking URL is for you to track people who view content, who only view the landing page. Now you want to select this particular event will be view content. Then the URL, you are going to change this from URL equals to URL contain. Then you select don't include value. Then you click on confirm. So that way we've been able to set up our Pixel event, which is the only 2 Pixel events we have on this landing page. So the next thing we want to do is to click on finish setup, and that way we have finished the setup for this particular landing page. So we've been able to set up our Pixel with our we've been able to set up our Facebook Pixel basically on our website. Now we click on next. So the next is you want to do a test of the Pixel event you just finished setting up. Now you click on finish. Let's finish. Then we'll go back to our Pixel to do a test. So refresh. So you come back. We'll do our test event here. So once you refresh, we'll do our test event here. So if there's any part of this video you don't understand, please rewind, and I'll be putting the link to my community in the description, which is Digital Marketing Lab community, and also follow us on Instagram, Digital Marketing Lab. And if you are interested in learning more about Facebook, you want to learn using my my Facebook ads goldmine, which is my course on Facebook advertising alone, Facebook and Instagram ads, then you can always go in the comment section, let me know I'm interested in the course, or the link to purchase the course will be in the comment section. You can always go for it, and from there we can always discuss one-on-one. When I have time, we can create time. Then if there are questions you want to ask, you can always ask in the community as regards that. Now that's that. Now we want to test event, so you come here and click on test event. You want to see if the Pixel event we set up is working very well. Now they give us 2 options. They said confirm your server event are set up correctly. We did not set up server. Confirm your website event are set up. So it is a website we did. Now you click on website, then you paste your landing page URL here. Then you click on open website. So when it's open the website, you interact with it. You can even send it to your phone, then interact with it, click the button there. So that way if it tracks, then that means that it is working. So you do it like a test. Can you see? Then you click on the get started now button. So if it tracks, it's going to show. Don't worry. Okay. Can you see now? Can you see? It said Guys, it's already tracking. Because I click on that button, it track it as what? Lead. Because I view, it track it as what? View content. And those are the informations you need. Now let's go back to our overview. Once we started tracking live, like live, it's going to be showing here. The live is going to be showing here. So that's basically how to set up your Facebook pixel for your lead generation. Now to now confirm if your Facebook pixel is working, let's try setting up a test campaign for it. What we want to do is go back to our ads, our ad account, then we just click on, we just refresh. So once we refresh, then if you have a particular ad on that particular ad account, you can't change the pixel because you've initially used a particular pixel. Are you with me now? You know, I'm not just using this ad account is not fresh. I've used it to run one campaign. Sure you get now, which I set up using a previous pixel. Do you get now? You know, I use a pixel on that particular campaign. I can't change. You can't change that pixel. What you do is you create a new campaign fresh with the pixel you want to use, like with the pixel you just created basically. Now what you want to do is we want to see if our pixel is working, if it's showing on our ad account, because that's how to confirm that okay, everything is set. So you come to your ad set level, then you select website. When you select website, you select pixel is going to provide the two pixel. This is the one we want to use, Trading Titan pixel. Then you select the event you want to track. You want to track the lead event. Yeah, so for this to work now, then that means that our lead is working. Just ignore this basically, but that doesn't mean that you haven't set it up. It's because it's still fresh. As time goes on, you will not see this again. So just ignore this, set up a conversion, ignore it. You have set it up already. Are you with me now? So as time goes on, the system will understand that you've set it up already and it's going to stop showing that. So that's basically everything you need to know about Facebook pixel setup. If there's anything you don't understand in the comment section in this video, do well to put it in the comment section, and I'm going to create more videos about it. And if there are angles you want me to create videos about, do well to put in the comment section also. I will try my possible best to create video around it. And our next video is going to be based on what? Audience and also placement. So make sure you subscribe, you turn on notification for this particular channel, you like and also share this video with more business owners. So thank you very much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Peace out, guys.